Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today for class 12, indefinite integrals. You have already got 7 lessons on this chapter. This is the 8th. We will explain today integration by parts. Please see the board. There are 3 sums of different methods. Please pay your full attention. First sum, that is log x dx. This is not exactly in the frame of formula. We have to simplify. By simplifying we are getting log x into 1. Now we have to select between these two which one will be the first and which one will be the second function. That is in this way. That means inverse, logarithm, algebra, trigonometry, exponential. Here log is coming before algebra. So log will be the first and algebra will be the second. This is why log x, now we have to apply the formula by parts. Log x unchanged, integration of the second minus integration, differentiation of the first, integration of the second, and total things we have to integrate. This is the formula. You will get this in video 3, that means part 3. Part 3 you must follow. Before following part 3, if you follow this, you may feel difficulties. My suggestion, you must go through the video part 3. Now, by applying formula we are getting this, then simplify integration of dx, that is x, and in differentiation of log x, that is 1 by x, and integration of dx, that is x. Then x and x will be cancelled, then dx, integration of dx, that is x. By simplifying we are getting this. This is the answer. Formula and this, if you remember, then easily you can do any sum in this chapter. Second sum. This is also not exactly in the frame of formula. You have to simplify. See in which way I am simplifying. X, that x by 1 minus cos x, and here is minus. Then sin x by 1 minus cos x. Now we have to apply the formula. 1 minus cos x, that is by submultiple angle we are getting 2 sin square x by 2. And here also same thing. And sin x, by applying the submultiple formula, 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Regarding this, my suggestion, you have to learn the formula of compound angle, multiple angle, and submultiple angle. Now see the next step. The 1 by sin x, that is cosec x, here is sin square x, so this is why cosec square x by 2, and in this term sin x by 2 and sin square x by 2, square and sin will be cancelled, then cos x by 2 by sin x by 2, and these 2 will be cancelled, so it is cot x by 2 dx. Now this is in the frame of formula. Here two function, that is uv, this is the algebra, this is the trigonometry. Algebra, trigonometry. Algebra is before, so this will be the first function. So x is unchanged, and integration of the second, and half, that is constant number, will come outside of the integration. Then exactly we have to follow the same method what we have followed here. By following, it will remain as it is. Then we have to apply the formula half x. By applying the formula we are getting this. This is the formula cosec square mx, that is cot mx by m. In place of m here is half, so we have to divide this by half. And here differentiation of x, that is 1, and this half will come here, this half, and integration of this will be exactly same thing, and it will remain same thing. Now we have to simplify. Half and half, this half and this half will be cancelled, and here is minus, so it is coming minus x cot x by 2. Clear? This half and this half will be cancelled, minus and minus, minus and minus, it will be plus, so it is coming cot x by 2 dx, and it will remain as it is. These two terms are exactly same, this the plus, this the minus, so it will be cancelled. So by simplifying we are getting this. This is the answer. Next sum, that is x cube into 3 x cube into e to the power x dx. Here you have to notice how many times we have to apply the same formula. Please pay your full attention. That this is algebra, this is exponential. Algebra is coming first, so algebra is the first function and exponential will be the second function. According that we have to apply the formula. By applying the formula we are getting this. Then by simplifying we are getting this. This part again we have to integrate. This will remain as it is, this 3 will come outside, this part we have to integrate. And here also, this is the algebra, this is the exponential. This is why by applying the formula, we are getting this expression. Then by simplifying, we are getting this. Still now, this part, we have to integrate again. This 2 will come outside, that is 3 into 2. And again, we have to apply the same formula. By applying, we are getting this. Then by simplifying, we are getting this. Then this part, that is e to the power x, again we have to integrate. By integrating this, we ultimately are getting this. Then e to the power x will be common. After taking the common, it will remain this plus c. Sum is completed. You have to remember the formula and this. Then any sum in this chapter easily you can do. One sum is given for homework. Please see the solution again. Okay, thank you everybody.